Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to locate and utilize the freeze moment effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Retro category, and scroll down to find the freeze movement effect. We're going to click and drag it down to the timeline, scroll through it just to see how it looks. And then we're going to find the moment where my sister misses the catch on the phone. And that's where it is right there. Okay, perfect. So what else we can do is go up to the special effects. And we can mess with the atmosphere, the color of the effect, the filter, the strength, and the speed. You guys can kind of play around with those effects as you'd like. So let's take a look. And there you have it, the freeze moment effect. Guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.